In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the tailgate molding on your Toyota Tacoma. This will be located on top of the tailgate. Let's get started. Using a T30 bit, we're going to remove the 7 bolts holding on this molding. We're going to grab the molding and pull straight up and pop it out. Most of our clips are broken. There should be clips like this all the way down the line. If you need to, you can use a flat blade screwdriver or a small pry tool to help you pop them out. Install the new molding piece, get it lined up, and we're going to go down the line and clip all the clips in. Install the screws. Snug them down. Shut the tailgate, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.